case. Number 1. Doom scrolling.
Welcome back. Who wants to share first? Ethan?
I was clean for 3 hours. Then I saw a notification from Instagram. I opened YouTube to fix my bike. 2 hours later, I was watching a man restore a 1930s toaster. I told myself it was just one reel. I watched 38 videos about refrigerators. I don't own a refrigerator.
This time, you'll need this.
I'm all yours now.
It's perfect.
I love this part of the job.
So good.
All right, let's do this. Yeah. That was perfect. Any more?
Autonomous key. Fix your relationship with the internet.